Welcome Bigfoot's Cave. Not gonna be so much tools this time. Got a couple shop updates, upgrades, much needed. As you see, playing with some of it already. Got me a nice little toy here. Got some other stuff. If you hang around, check it out, see what we got. I picked up a TreeWorks ultrasonic cleaner, 22 liters. It's only $20 more than a Harbor Freight 6 liter. Figured I'd give it a shot. Seemed like a lot of people were happy with how it performed. Before I got it started, put a 90 to a hose, straight down to a 5-gallon bucket, put a silicone breather hole in it, put a rag to keep let the air flow through but keep the dirt out. Allows me to transition flow levels. So if I load heavy stuff in it, push the water level up, I can drain it down. So far, it has helped clean out mass lot of sockets I acquired a month or so ago. Made it easy to wear, less individual work, I should say. Pretty easy to use. Temperature up, temperature down. Heater on, off. Timer on, off. Timer up and down. Not as loud as everybody makes it out to be. But what I did find out, it's just that noise. But when it starts heating up, the lid will vibrate and rattle and be very much louder. So I'm going to look for a high temperature silicone seal that I'm going to put on the top to rest the lid on, so when the temperature gets in there warm, it doesn't start pushing the lid around and rattling it even more. But that buzzing was you only about 8 inches away from it. So in a garage or shop environment, you're already making noise. It isn't too bad. Here's the second thing I got for the shop. Got a US General service tray. It's actually pretty stable, even on the corners. It doesn't do a lot of wobbling. Got a little drawer here, foam pad here, rubber, just rubber pads. So if I get chemicals or crud on it, it's not gonna eat into it like a foam pad would. But I got the height just right. Transition from what I'm working on down, back and forth. It was $100, but it was on sale a couple weeks ago for $80. I was like, well, I gotta have it. I got tired of putting stuff up here, only one or two at a time, when I can have a large amount here, work on it, shift it. Say the left side is what I need to work on, complete something, put it to the right side. I can have everything there instead of walking back and forth or playing hide and seek with it. So far, I'm happy with it. Had it for about a week or so. Oh, you didn't see none of this? So static. You don't see it. That's a couple other videos. Another very much needed upgrade out here, computer speakers. Because initially, I just had the onboard speakers for laptop, which did not allow me to hear or see discrepant. Well, I'm just stepping all over myself. It did not allow me to hear the discrepancies or how compressed multiple audio layers are. It sounded okay till export, and then in the videos become a train wreck, which is why I abandoned a lot of things. But my wife took fabric, one of my old work shirts, and made me a nice little cover. It keeps wood, dust, metal, all the debris I kick up out here that causes that mess. Keeps it from doing any damage to my expensive laptop. She made me a little cover here. Got 2 hard drives, 2 switch controllers. So what's on my laptop goes to the monitor, which turns around, and at the same time I can have it up there. So if I'm up here on the other side of the shop, I can see my projects, plans, or whatever I'm doing here from anywhere in the garage. They sound good. More than happy with them. Thanks for watching. If you haven't fallen asleep already.